Alright, I got a 2002 boom Dodge Neon. Clear coat is peeling. I bought it with 79,000 miles for $600. The only thing I needed was a motor mount that I already replaced, and I need some new brake pads because they're squeaking. So I'm going to show you how to change the brake pads easy. Socket, 10 millimeter. Boom, boom. I already loosened them up. So you don't have to take the whole caliper off. Just watch. This one comes off. And this one right here. Watch how easy is this. This is like a 10-minute job, but I'm holding the camera. Okay, so now that's loose. Let me see if I can put it right here on this camera thing. I gotta look in the back, make sure that I got you guys recorded. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see it. If not, I apologize. I'm waiting for my stocks to go up, and then I can buy one of those fancy, expensive cameras. Oh, this is... Okay, you see? Alright, here we go. Never leave your caliper hanging. You don't want to break that hose. Oh. Yeah, the screws. We're gonna put some grease on this. I got some special grease for it. I wonder where is that? It's in there somewhere. Okay, so what you want to do right now? Okay. Whoa. Hopefully you guys can see it. Take the brake. Squish it in. Squish your caliper in. Because you want to make room for the other one. Sometimes you have to let me see. There we go. What I'm doing is I'm squeezing the cylinder in of your brake caliper, so when I put the new brake pads in it, they will fit right in the rotor. What I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna pop the hood. Alright. I'm popping the hood right now, and I'm going to take the oil cap. Not the oil cap, I took the lid off to the tank where you put the brake fluid in. So now it should squeeze in better, easier. There we go. Oh, nice, nice. Alright, just squats right in there. New brake pads. Like I say, I'm just keeping this car until my stocks go up and I can buy me a truck again. You all knew that I blew the transmission on my truck. And I don't have a truck right now, so my dolly got confiscated by the state of Florida because I forgot to take the paperwork with me. Then my truck went out, but it's okay. Everything happens for a reason, and everything is good. Always positive. Everything is positive. Everything is good. I don't care. Perfect. Bam. It brings a little oil. I can't believe it. $11 I paid for these brake pads. 11 bucks. So easy. Like I said, I hope you guys can see the video. Let me check again. Everything. Huh? Hopefully you guys getting a good view. If not, then I won't post the video. Alright, let's see how we get these. These are, look how easy this is. Let me show you guys. Okay, so very easy to snap off. Just take this right here. Here we go. Okay, it's easy. Look, you just put this little thing right here on the back, and the brake pads will pop right up. You see? And like that. And like that. Okay, there I go. Now you're saying, well, these brake pads are pretty good. Well, no, they making squeaky noise, so they gotta go right in the garbage. So you see how easy that was? And then this one, it pops right off. Look. So the one that has this pops in there, and then the other one that I just took out. Okay, let me see. Why does it bring all that stuff? I don't know. These brake pads have a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't see on this one, so let me see. Alright, just looking at the instructions here. Alright. Well, these didn't have it. Whoever had the car didn't put these clamps on. It's a whole bunch of little clamps right here. What are these? I mean, the old brake pads didn't have them. You see? It says to snap them on. Remove rust. They didn't have them. That's weird. I mean, the brake pad should be like right there. That one will fit perfect with all those clamps. Maybe the clamps are for a different car, but this one doesn't have any. Look, they fit right. I mean, they fit perfect. So you won't need these little clamps. The Neon doesn't have them. Like I say, I can't find them nowhere. I look on the old pads. I look everywhere. I don't see them. So. Okay, now, this is very simple. Okay, how did I take this? Okay, just goes like this. Okay. Boom. Boom. So you see how I just snapped them in? All I did was just clunk and snap it right in. And then, where's the other one? Here it is. And this one. Okay. I made a mistake. I should have put this back one in first, you see? Because it goes there in the hole. But now I can't fit it because I got the new one on. The one in the front. So I'm going to take the one in the front back off. So guys, don't make the same mistake. Alright. Very simple. We don't want to, we don't want to mess it up. Here we go. Slowly. Perfect. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put this one in here.